What if you could control a robot just by moving your head? No remotes, no hands, just pure AI magic. In today's video, we'll show you how to control the Quarky robot using your head movements with MediaPipe and open feet. It's fun, futuristic, and you can do it too. Look at this, when I tilt my head left, Quarky goes left. Tilt right, and it turns right. Move forward, and boom. The robot moves forward. Let me show you exactly how to build this AI-powered project. We're using Python along with MediaPipe to detect head pose and open feet for camera input. Quarky is connected through PictoBlox's Python interface. You'll need a webcam, Quarky robot, and some basic Python libraries. Import CV2. Import MediaPipe as MP. And choose Quarky board. Using MediaPipe's face mesh, we track key landmarks, especially the nose and eyes, to calculate the tilt direction. Based on the position of the nose tip relative to the center, we can decide whether the head is tilted left, right, or forward. Once we detect the direction, we send the corresponding command to Quarky using Python code. Here, we're comparing the nose position to a central reference point. You can fine-tune the sensitivity by adjusting the offset values. And just like that, you've built a futuristic, head-controlled robot using computer vision and AI. Imagine the possibilities: gesture control, accessibility tools, or just impressing your friends. If you loved this project, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below with what feature you want to add next, maybe voice control or facial emotion detection. See you in the next tech build.